unboxing at the store.
Unboxing at the store.
This is
iPhone Pro 13.
512 mega.
No, 1 terabyte.
1 terabyte. Wow. Ooh. Remember Big Bang Theory when they were taking this off? It's like, ooh, ah, beautiful. You got a screen protector?
Yeah.
It's a different size. It's heavier, definitely heavier than our 11, right? Oh, I like the clear. Oh, and I love that blue color. It's gorgeous. Let me see. How's it feel?
What's the screen?
I'm not gonna touch the screen. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Wow.
Let's see how
How's it compare with a?
Oh, this is the size difference. It's a little bit bigger.
It's bigger. I love this color. The MagSafe, there's not it's smooth. It's the glass is out.
This is the lens cover that protects the lens for the iPhone.
And you put the cover on it.
Yep, put it on just like that.
Okay.
So this hole here goes for the microphone.
Oh, okay. Okay.
See, completely protects it. That's really good.
Okay, great. Completely protects it, yeah. Wow, great. All right, see if your case fits, okay?
But the case has a hole, so it should always fit.
Fantastic. And you put the screen protector?
Yep, it's already on there.
Yay, great. No bubbles.
This is the back.
Mm-hmm. Super slippery, don't you think? It's very slippery. Yay. Good job. Beautiful. I love the color.